Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Remember when we made this? Well, we had some zipper scraps, and that makes it perfect for Super Simple Sunday. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. It is Super Simple Sunday. I want to welcome all of my new subscribers and say a big thank you to everyone who is supporting my channel. So in a previous video, we made this awesome zipper sealed bag. We had some zipper scraps left over. I am going to show you how we can take those scraps and create some of the cutest little pouches. So y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. And so here is a closer look at today's Super Simple Sunday project. This is more about the technique than it is the actual measurements. But when finished, mine is 6 by 5 1/4. So you can see that we have this awesome little pouch that opens like this, and we can put all types of goodies inside. So here's what we're going to need. Okay, so to make today's project very simple, I am going to start with a piece of 12 by 12, but I'm actually going to cut it. And then I have this scrap that was left over from the bag that I made yesterday. So the first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and trim away a portion of the end of this, because I want to make sure I have 2 separate pieces, and that'll make our bag close a lot easier. And by separate pieces, I mean that when you open it like this, they're not joined at the end. So I am going to bring in my scoreboard, and I'm going to take this beautiful paper and just cut it down to 6. We're going to keep this very, very simple. And so after I've cut it, y'all, we're going to make this really a no measuring project. So you have your piece that is 12 by 6. I am just going to take this piece, put it in, and I'm just going to get me a little fold going. And you can see that my piece is creased right here. And then I'll just take my big old spatula and reinforce that crease. Now I have this piece right here. I am going to use my finger blade to trim away that excess. Y'all, this is easy peasy, super simple Sunday crafting. And I'm just going to trim off a little bit of this as well, because I don't need the top to be as wide as it is. So I am going to trim that down, and we're going to place it right here so that the top is almost even with the top of the paper. And I'm going to place it down using tape. I tried putting glue on this plastic, y'all, and it didn't hold. So I am using my scrappy tape, which is a very good tape for me. But just make sure that whatever tape you're using, it has a nice grip on it. And I'm going to pull that up, because I'm going to put down, and I am just going to go ahead and separate these two because it's easier to do when they're not joined. And I'm going to add this tape right here. And now I'll take this piece and we're going to place it as close to the top as we can get it. And then we'll place our tape on the back side of the connecting piece. And then we just need to slide this piece back on. And then we're just going to add some glue along this end and along the bottom. And when we fold it over like this, we're going to take our big old spatula or whatever tool it is that you're using. We're going to get this stuck, and we need to give it a chance to dry before we separate the top. And so you could just consider this done because it's beautiful all by itself. but I think I'm going to kick it up just a notch. So I am just going to add this sweet little lace that you guys have seen me use so many times on the channel. And I'm going to add some to the bottom. This lace I got from Hobby Lobby. I am going to go ahead and put that down. As you guys know, my glue will dry clear. And so then I've added some glue dots to the back of these little flowers. I'm going to place them right there. And then I have this sticker that says Dream that I'm tucking in right there. And I think that that is just so stinking cute. And it's really kind of fancy for a super simple Sunday project, but it really is super simple. So I forgot to peel away the tape, so I'm going to go ahead and peel that. And now I can have these two pieces stuck. I'll use my big old spatula to make sure that I have a real nice stick on this. And now when I open it, check out my little pouch. It is perfect. And what would you put in this pouch, you say? So many things. I have these flowers in this pack that I used here. If I wanted to gift these, what a beautiful way to gift these. This is also a great packaging idea for your craft fairs because you can cut out an acetate window and maybe you want to sell some embellishments and have them in here. Or maybe you want to put some York peppermint patties or some cut aparts or some stickers, whatever it is you would want to put in yours. Super easy to do because you just saw me do it and you saw how quick and easy it was to make this. So I only made one, and I made that one with you guys on camera. Oh, you know something else I just thought about? What a beautiful way to give some bath salts. Why not make something like this, put some bath salts in it, make a Valentine's basket, a Mother's Day basket. This would be perfect for that. So I am going to open this again so that you can see on the inside, I have all of my pretty little petals, and I have a super easy way of closing and opening this bag. Y'all, I promise you, this will be a game changer in the paper crafting community. And I honestly believe you're going to start seeing this technique more and more. So make sure you grab some zipper seal bags. They don't cost much, and have fun doing this process. Guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this super simple Sunday video. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.